Hi, I'm Sasha. I'm the interior designer for Thomas Developments, and this is our Inglewood project. It's been a massive task and we're really excited to show you the final product. We have designed this space around this beautiful old jacaranda tree. With cathedral ceilings and floor-to-ceiling glazing, we can view the tree throughout the whole extension. It also lets in an abundance of natural light throughout the day.
3, 2, 1, go!
Throughout the extension, we have polished concrete floors. We've also done a white oxide concrete bench top that's over 4.5 square metres in size and great for entertaining.